Not all disposable gloves are the same. Choose the wrong one and you're dealing with rips, poor grip or constant changes. This is a quick breakdown of the Black Mamba glove range. Now these are built for different types of work, from heavy mechanical jobs to hygiene critical tasks. So instead of guessing, why not let's just go through them, have a look at what each glove is actually designed for. Starting then with these, the Black Mamba. This is the namesake of the company. Now the Black Mambas are the original and toughest nitrile gloves in the range. They're built for jobs where standard disposable gloves don't last. Around 6mm thick, this glove is suited to mechanical, automotive, engineering and general work where gloves are constantly being used. The fully textured finish that you can see when you actually pick the glove up, this will provide good grip with oils and chemicals, while the tougher nitrile construction helps resist tearing during repeated hand movement. So if durability is your priority, then these are definitely the starting point for you. Next then, let's have a look at these green ones here. Now these are the green Mambas, as you might have guessed. These are a strong everyday nitrile glove with a more environmentally conscious design. Now these are really similar to the Black Mambas, but they've sacrificed some strength to prioritise minimising your carbon footprint, as these are actually biodegradable gloves. At 6mm thick, same as the Black Mambas, these offer proper durability while staying flexible enough for general handling, cleaning, assembly, grooming and automotive work. It features a textured surface, so you're going to get a great grip, and a reinforced nitrile construction that helps prevent tearing during repeated use. The biodegradable additive in the material helps the glove break down faster after disposal, so you get everyday performance without compromising on environmental responsibility. So that's the green Mamba. On to the Mamba Med gloves. So these are the Mamba Med here. Now these have been designed for precision and hygiene. With thinner 4mm nitrile construction, they offer a much better feel for detailed tasks like medical work, lab use, food handling and inspection. Now if you actually look closely here, on the fingertips, this is where you'll see a slight texture that will improve control when handling small or delicate items. The glove's chemical and microorganism protection standards make it perfect for hygiene critical environments. Now, these gloves sit at the crossover point where cleanliness and control matter more than outright toughness. Now, these are the orange Mamba gloves. Again, you might well have guessed that. These are all about visibility and grip. The bright orange colour makes wear and contamination or damage easy to spot at a glance, which will help you know exactly when the gloves need changing in busy working environments. So you can tell as soon as you look at these, the texture is much more rough on here. Now it's an 8mm heavy-duty nitrile glove, offering greater punch resistance than standard disposables, while still staying flexible enough for all-day use. And as I said, this texture is really quite aggressive, so this will keep grip consistent in oily, wet or greasy conditions. Makes it a really strong choice for automotive work, as well as chemical handling, cleaning and manufacturing as well. And finally then, let's have a look at these ones here. Now these, immediately you'll notice a bit of a difference, not just the colour, but also the size of them as well. Now these are the Teal Mamba gloves. So this is the heaviest duty glove in the range, built for jobs where standard disposable gloves just don't inspire the same amount of confidence. So this is actually a 14mm latex glove with an extended cuff, which will give you serious resistance to tearing and abrasion. So it doesn't give up when you're really putting it to work. The extra length that you'll get in here protects the wrist and the lower forearm, which is useful when working with liquids or with chemicals as well. It's ideal for maintenance, plumbing, cleaning and industrial work, where maximum protection will really matter to you. So having had a look at all of them now, let's just give you a really quick guide to what you need and when. If you want heavy duty trade performance, then just go with the standard, the Black Mambas there. If you want everyday use with a lower environmental impact, then the green Mamba is going to be the best choice for you there. If hygiene and precision matter most to you, that's when you're going to want to have a look at these, the Mamba Meds. And if grip and visibility are the priority, especially in oily conditions, that's when the orange Mamba is going to be the right one for you. And finally, for maximum protection with extra coverage as well, Teal Mamba is going to be the right choice. Now it is worth saying, because I don't think I've mentioned this yet, that all of these gloves are actually touchscreen compatible as well, so you're going to be able to use them and use your phone at the same time. Disposable gloves don't need to feel disposable. Choosing the right one for the work you're doing means fewer failures, better grip, and less time changing gloves throughout the day. And if you want to check them out, you can find all of the gloves mentioned here at its.co.uk.